Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we're gonna do a fidget spinner video. Since I didn't have any comments in my videos, I decided to give it of my own. So today we're gonna do a fidget spinner video that's called Fidget Spinner versus Cardboard. So yeah, I need something good. Let's put it here. Let's see if this part's working. This is definitely working, I guess. Okay, let's go. I guess cardboard won that time. Let's try this side. Okay, I think cardboard. Let's try it one more time. I think I'm gonna upload 2 videos a day. I don't know. Maybe I will. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment me what should I do next. I can't do any prank calls since I'm recording with my phone. So, tell me, should I do another fidget spinner video? It's called Fidget Spinner versus Newspaper or Piece. Or should you watch me make a cartoon? So, comment down and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So, goodbye!